On Mercedes E-Class, I've got an E55 AMG, and I notice on some music the speakers have a kind of crackling sound. I pulled apart the center speaker on the dash where the vent is. The plastic just pretty much pops off, and then I realized that the speaker is no longer connected. The voice coil down here is no longer connected, nor the little woofer seal. So I'm going to try to repair this by pretty much gluing it back together. I'm assuming, of course, being that it's in the sun all the time, it just dries the glue out, and then this happens to your speaker. So we'll try to repair it and see what happens.